Hi, welcome back. And as we are studying the ratios, the fourth one of the efficiency ratio is days sales in inventory. Now, what is day sales in inventory? That is how efficiently and how quickly a company is able to convert this inventory into sales. Okay, so this seems a very interesting ratio. How many numbers of days it takes a company to turn inventory into sales? Okay, interesting. The fewer the number, the good. The higher the number, the bad. Okay. Now, how do you do it? Ending inventory upon COGS into 365 looks very easy. Days turnover ratio, days. Okay, let's copy this whole. And this is ninth one. Days turnover ratio. What's the formula? Ending inventory COGS into 365. Yeah, ending inventory. Okay, so these should all be multiplied by what? 365. But how will I write it here? Let me merge this one and write it in the middle. That is multiply by 365 days. Okay, so this is our formula, and what to do now? Yeah, let's find out for Hallmark first. I don't know why do I have the habit of speaking Harlem every time I speak Hallmark, and why did I even create this company Hallmark when I cannot speak its name? Control C. Okay, now what's the ending inventory? What's the ending inventory? Oops. Days turnover ratio. Ending inventory is for Hallmark is closing inventory, right? 40,000. Well, that's what I guess. We might be wrong, but we have our cheat sheet. Cost of goods sold is given. That is 60,000. Okay. 60,000. Good to go. Multiply it by 365. And let's check out the answer. That is 4 divided by 6. And this into 365. Okay, so 243 days. Really? Did we do it correct? Okay, I do it correct. Okay, so where did we write the answer? Let's write it here. 243 days. And to mark it different, let's put good here. 20. Okay, hence it looks like how many days? 243 days is a long time to sell inventory, while industry that takes the wait. What is an acceptable number of days to sell inventory? It is unsustainable long term. Walmart will need to better manage their inventory and sales strategies to move inventories more quickly. Okay, this is very bad, as you can also imagine. Let's see what our boy has to give us. Okay, oops. Let's copy this whole thing. Yeah, ending inventory is how much? 880872. Okay, 880872. And cost of goods sold is cost of sales 3058102. 3058102. The answer would come to 880872 divide by 30502, enter, equal to into 365. Wow, at least better, but it's also bad because 105 days, for 105 days we would have, okay, what I wanted to tell you is, suppose we are able to sell our inventory in 105 days. So instead, for 104 days or at least 100 days, we could have used our inventory, that we could have used our amount that that we incurred to purchase inventory at some place else. Okay, hence this is also bad. Okay, we are done with almost all the efficiency ratios, and then the next in line is profitability ratios, which are, yeah, super easy and they are very interesting. So stay tuned and good day.